welcome back to Poorvi's World. So in this video, we're going to do a science experiment, actually a bunch of them. We have previously uploaded 2 more videos based on science. This video is based on science drinks. First experiment is going to be lava lamp. If you don't know what a lava lamp is, it is like a color making bubbles. It is very magical to look at, but it's all science. All the ingredients are found at home. We're gonna get our ingredients now. These are our ingredients. Vegetable oil, a empty bottle, some paint, any paint you want, a spoon, baking soda, vinegar and a funnel to pour every single thing in it. First we're gonna start by taking the bottle and baking soda. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda in it. There we go. We're going to use a funnel for this. I'm going to add this. You can use a stick or a toothpick, or you can use the spoon. Or you can just directly pour if you have a bigger mouth. There we go. We're going to add 2 of this. One got in. We're going to add another one. There we go. We're going to add. And we're just going to pour. So till it is getting in, we're going to prepare for the third step. The step, we're going to use vinegar in this step. So we're going to just keep it aside for now. We're going to get our vinegar and we're going to get our paint. I have very little vinegar in it. This is how much vinegar you need for the entire bottle. Okay. So we're just going to take this out. I have opened it. Now we're going to pour it in a cup or anything you want. Now we're going to add our food coloring. Very little food coloring to be sure. Like 1 drop. And there you go. Now if it's not going to mix like this, we're going to use our spoon's backside to mix it. Because it's vinegar and color, they do not mix together. If you want to know why these 2 things doesn't mix, you can watch our video about matter to learn about this. I'm going to keep our spoon aside. Now, we're going to keep this aside and the baking soda and food coloring. We need this, oil, funnel and a bottle. It has gone in. This much baking soda we need. We're going to pour this in. We're going to add our oil in it. Add it very slowly. Hold this properly. And we're going to add it. And add the whole entire glass. You can fill it halfway, or if you have a bigger one, you can fill it all the way on the top. There you go. We're going to add all of this oil. There you go. And it's gone. There. We're going to keep this aside. Now we're going to add our vinegar solution. As you can already see, there's bubbles forming. There's bubbles because of the baking soda and the vegetable oil. Now let's see the magic. We're going to add our vinegar in it. Now if you see closely, I'm going to take the funnel out. Look at this. It happens for a minute and it will stop. You can still see the bubbles and all. You can see how there's bubbles on the top. From here we're going to show you, this is all the bubbles on the top of this. This was the first. So it's going to start forming in a bit, like you can see the bubbles are forming, bigger bubbles and all. Now for as I said, it was the first experiment. We're going to do a little we can place it on top of a flashlight so it glows and it looks very pretty. And if you can hear it, it's sizzling. This is our lava lamp. There's bubbles forming right here. There. So this was our first experiment that we did. This experiment, we're going to need a bottle. We're going to fill it to the top. We're going to need tissues. First, we're going to get 2 pieces of tissues and a big one and place it on top. We're going to let it soak up like that. The water needs to, the tissue needs to soak up the water. Now we're going to turn it around. Voila! It holds the water. It's a little leaky because it's tissue well, but it is really goodly holding the water. Don't try it over 2 times, it's gonna fall on the second time for sure. And take down the tissue and look at this. This water didn't even move, and the water didn't fall, the water didn't move, I did anything. Do it one more time. Take the tissue paper, tear it. I'm going to take both of them and place. Just gonna let it soak. No, not press too much or it will fall and break. Now let the water touch, so it's easy. Water touch it, and let's try again. We're using new tissue papers, okay? Okay. Swash over. Okay, that did. The tissue papers of it. So we can take this off. There you go. This was our notification bell to get the notification of our new videos. Bye.